Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're like me, you know how frustrating it can be when your skin feels dry, tight, or irritated, especially when you're constantly on the go. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to tackle just that: the Lubriderm Fragrance-Free Daily Moisture Lotion plus Pro-Ceramide, a fragrance-free, ultra-hydrating lotion designed to restore your skin's moisture barrier and keep it healthy. Now, before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on expert reviews like this one. Ready to dive in? Let's get to it. Lubriderm's fragrance-free daily moisture lotion is formulated with a unique combination of Pro-Ceramide, Shea Butter, and Glycerin designed to help restore your skin's moisture barrier and keep it hydrated for up to 24 hours. This lotion is dermatologist tested, allergy tested, and most importantly, fragrance-free, which makes it suitable even for the most sensitive skin types. The formula is lightweight and non-greasy, and it's said to absorb quickly, leaving skin feeling soft without any heavy residue. Whether you're using it on your face, hands, or body, this lotion is designed to deliver moisture where you need it most, without clogging pores. In terms of ingredients, the key players are the Pro-Ceramide and Glycerin. Pro-Ceramide helps strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier, while Glycerin is a well-known humectant that draws moisture from the environment into the skin. Shea Butter, on the other hand, is a nourishing emollient that not only locks in moisture, but also provides skin with much-needed soothing properties. In my experience, using the Lubriderm Fragrance-Free Daily Moisture Lotion, I found that it lives up to its promise of being fast-absorbing. The lotion glides onto the skin smoothly and sinks in within seconds, making it perfect for those who don't want to deal with a greasy afterfeel. I applied it both in the morning and at night, and noticed that my skin felt moisturized throughout the day, without having to reapply. The real-world testing was impressive. I tried it during my daily skincare routine, as well as after a long day of being outdoors, and I didn't experience any irritation or breakouts. It's truly a versatile product that can be used on all skin types, including sensitive skin, which I really appreciated. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: fragrance-free, ideal for those with sensitive skin or fragrance allergies. Fast-absorbing, you won't feel greasy after applying it. 24-hour moisture, the hydration really lasts throughout the day. Non-comedogenic, it doesn't clog pores, so it's safe for your face too. Dermatologist approved, it's allergy tested and free of parabens, phthalates, and dyes. Cons: basic formula. While it's effective, the formula isn't groundbreaking compared to other high-end moisturizers. Packaging: while functional, it's a bit basic in terms of design. It's a no-frills packaging approach, which works fine but may not feel luxurious. When it comes to value for money, the Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a reliable, no-nonsense moisturizer. Given the price point and the quantity, 16 flaw-oughts, it's a solid investment for everyday hydration. The price is definitely justified, considering the high-quality ingredients and performance. As for comparisons, there are other fragrance-free moisturizers on the market, such as CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion or Neutrogena Hydro Boost. However, what sets Lubriderm apart is the inclusion of Pro-Ceramide, which strengthens the skin's barrier over time, as well as its lightweight, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly without leaving a residue. In terms of build quality and longevity, the packaging is sturdy, and the product doesn't expire too quickly. With consistent use, I found the lotion lasted for quite some time, and the moisture effect didn't diminish with prolonged use. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about customer support. While I didn't have any direct interaction with Lubriderm's customer service, the brand has a solid reputation for handling inquiries promptly. I've heard positive feedback regarding their responsiveness, so if you ever need to reach out, you should expect a helpful response. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to check out Vaseline Intensive Care Essential Healing Lotion or Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Both are excellent choices for sensitive skin and are similarly priced, but Lubriderm offers a slightly more specialized formula with Pro-Ceramide for enhanced barrier support. Finally, my verdict. If you're in the market for a fragrance-free, hydrating daily lotion that works on the face, hands, and body, Lubriderm Daily Moisture Lotion plus Pro-Ceramide is a great option. It's not the most luxurious moisturizer on the market, but it gets the job done, especially for sensitive skin. With 24-hour hydration and an affordable price tag, it's perfect for those who want effective everyday moisture without any extra bells and whistles. Thank you for tuning in today. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you haven't, you can grab it through the link in the description or comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.